So hey everyone, be sure to smash that like button if you want more Shib content, or be sure to subscribe. But what's happening with Shib right now? Why is Shiba's price not moving up? That is what keeps a lot of people worried. We should be going up, right? We should be going to the moon. We should be going the same patterns as over here. And why is this not happening? And to keep it to you guys for very simple is we are not in a bear market. No, a lot of people are saying we're in a bear market. Everything is crashing. If it was a bear market, Shib would be worth half what it is right now. It would not be much, but the thing you have to consider is that we are not in a bull market either. So the market cannot decide if we're in a bull or a bear, and we're not sure what's going to happen overall. And here the market is dropping very steadily, very fast. It is going down, it is going up, and we are seeing the same patterns we saw over here for a few months. Nothing was actually happening. Nothing was really happening. And this is when I kept providing news, and then we saw a big explosion because I was saying, something is on, guys. Something is definitely gonna happen. And I hope we can see this again. But the markets are looking very well right now. So people are saying it's gonna go up. People are saying it's gonna go down. Some people have sold, some people have bought more, and it's 50-50, and that's why the price is stable. There's just not enough activity. There's not enough things happening. This is when, don't get me wrong, the devs are still developing the token, but here you can actually see that they were developing, Shiba Inu, they were developing the Shiboshis over here, and when the bull market happens, they release them and bam, the price drops, right? The whales sell their positions that they got their coins all the way over here. They bought large positions and they keep selling here for profit and taking returns. We're failing every support level, obviously, but right now, what we have decided is we saw a huge bump and then we saw back down. So there's just not enough social media volume. There's not enough interest in Shiba Inu. Is this a bad thing? No, this obviously happens in bear markets as well, but this is not really a bear market. So Bitcoin eyes highest weekly close since early February as Bitcoin price hovers under 42K. So an updated idea, daily demand held, and we're now seeing option 1 play out. The triangle structure may actually already be complete. If this is the case, will become very clear in the next couple of days, starting a break of 42.5 and 45K shortly. So people are saying we're going up because the stocks are going, seeing last minute bounce, gearing for another micro week. We're seeing that despite the things that are happening in the real world, European stocks are now fully recovered from the shock of basically all the things happening in the world. But should unlikely optimism endure, Bitcoin could profit as its correlation with equities performance persist. And this is pretty big. Obviously Shiba Inu is just waiting for the right moment, waiting for the bull run. As the stock markets, European stock markets, do mind you, have actually recovered, we could be seeing more stock markets in the future recover as well. You never know, but this needs time. It just needs time. It needs patience. It needs lots and lots of things that are not going to be here in one day, in 1 week. And we are all depending on the stock markets to go back to its normal, to go back at its highest. But the truth be told, we are not seeing the same things, the same news, same updates, because there's not enough news. Developers are updating the token, but I am expecting another bull run later this year. Is it going to eat a new zero? This I will tell you in my next video, so be sure to subscribe for that. But guys, listen, we can see here that there's a very, very optimistic levels, as they said, for Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin goes up, we are all going to be happy. And as long as price continues to close above 34K on the V3 timeframe, this bullish dividend is likely to send us to a new at its highest. And I want to see a new at its highest. Who knows? Are we going to see Bitcoin at 100K this year? I mean, the dream is real, guys. Are we going to see Shiba Inu eat 3 zeros? I hope so, but be sure to smash that like button. I'll keep you updated as always. Peace, everyone.